This Amazon earthworm grows over 3 feet long, and it's literally the reason the rainforest exists. These underground giants can process 3 tons of soil every single year. That's more than a car weighs. Their tunnels extend 20 feet deep and create nutrient highways for the entire forest. Without these ecosystem engineers, the Amazon rainforest couldn't survive. Every tunnel becomes a water channel. Every casting becomes superfood for plants above. A single worm can live for over 5 years, spending its entire life building the foundation that supports the world's most biodiverse ecosystem. These are the unsung heroes holding up our planet's lungs. How many people know the Amazon depends on giant worms?